Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. Today, I am at a museum checking out Slovakian homes. Yeah, Slovakian homes. So these are some old classic Slovakian homes here. And you know, if you ask me, they kind of remind me of log cabins because a lot of these are made from logs. I think these are really, really cool. This is an outdoor museum. There are, I believe, 30 or 40 little structures out here, and they're all different things from villages back in the day. And I really, really like this place. It's very peaceful, it's very quiet. This is a Sunday, it's not very busy at all, and there's lots of snow. There he is. Look at this one. This one's much different from those other ones. Looks like this one's got some siding on the side. Maybe the farther up we go, the more modern they get. But for now, this is how I'm getting this video started. Okay, just exploring here. You want to make sure you don't step here because it's super, super slick. It's from the icicles up above. You know, they drip water and it just falls down there. This house is huge. This one has like an upstairs, a downstairs. This is like a stable in the back for the, you know, the animals and all that. I'm sure one of these is to store food. I can't exactly remember which one. Kika is my guide and she is doing all the work, and I'm just walking around with the camera like usual. Now, by the looks of this one looks like a school. Some of these are open, but I guess some of these are not. And we're running into a lot of these that are not open. This is pretty cool. I guess this is school in Slovak. I don't speak Slovak, but this is the school. This is like a little village tour. So this was how the Slovaks used to live long ago. You know, this almost looks like a church, but I believe this is school. Yeah, Kika says it's a school, so it's open. Let's go inside. Welcome to the school. Oh, some books or magazines back here. And we got a classroom. Time to learn Slovak. Wow, could you guys imagine living here like 100 years ago? In the summer, you would have to go out and hunt for food and go fishing, and you would have to pretty much prepare yourself for the entire winter. And when winter rolls around, you know, you have all your food stored, you have your wood stored. When winter rolls around, you just sit back and live and take it easy. Basically, you live for the winter. And right now, it's winter. We live it. That looks like a great place to stop for a picnic in the summertime. Right under the trees. Okay, here is house number 11. Let's check this one out. Oh wow. It's like a stove, like a little kitchen area. Maybe store things here, and then there's this area upstairs. Well, let's go on. I don't think I've been on any ladders on this trip, so first ladder for the trip. Alright, this looks like a store area, or maybe an area where someone could sleep. But I noticed that I see a lot of light coming in, so it would probably get pretty cold here at night. Maybe this is a summer cabin. Just looks like... Oh, wow. Another shed here. I don't know what you would put here. Interesting. Wow. More icicles. Look how big that icicle is. It's enormous. It's not going anywhere. Guys, look at this. That one fell. This one fell, but this one finally fell. And there's some more icicles. Let's knock some down. So much fun to knock these down. Whee! Now over here, I don't know, but it looks like the houses look a little bit different from this area we just left from here. And that area there. Some more religious artifacts. And I see another building that looks like a church, but it's really small. I don't think this is a church. Maybe this is a burial site or something. Okay, so house number 4 and this house next to it, these were both constructed in the late 19th century, and these are made out of stone. They are a little bit different. They're a little bit more modern. The rooftops are a little bit different. This is looks like a clay rooftop. The other rooftops were, looks like wooden rooftops. Or, I mean, I guess you really can't see the rooftops because a lot of these are covered. But I guess on the clay tile, the snow falls faster. Yeah, this is a wood roof. So there's definitely more snow collected on the wood roof. Okay, we got Queen Mary, or we have Mary. And then we also have a cemetery over here. And yes, there is a church. And looks like the front door is open. Let's go in and explore. It's open. Oh, it's not? See? Huh? Well, you can't go inside, but you can go like, look inside. Oh wow, check this out. This is beautiful. Oh, this is from 18th century.
The Baroque altar.
Oh, the altar.
The church is older.
Look at those flowers up there. This is so white, it almost hurts my eyes to look at. Let's go check out the museum shop. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I would like to have just H2O. Thank you, thank you. And also some flour. So one of the stories behind this house is the owner of this house took plants and made paint and painted his house. All natural paint. And that's lucky house number 13. Okay, looks like we got another church. Let's go explore this one. Just trekking through the snow. Or is this a church? Oh. Now over here, this is a different region. So the houses look a little bit different. There's, if I'm not mistaken, there's 3 different regions here. And that's why the houses look slightly different. You know, they would build houses different in the north than they did the south. And so on and so on. But the architect is very similar. Like this one is slightly more modern than that one over there, of course. Oh wow, check out this firehouse. This fire station. Look at it. They got little hoses and little fire wagons and shovels and axes and everything you need to put a fire out. Gotta have some horses to pull these though. Okay, so this is where they make hats. These are the molds for the hats. This is the mixer. And then over here in this room, you have the hat making room. So you have more molds. You have cotton here. You have these hammers to hammer down your fabric. You have this area to iron out the hats, this area to cool the hats. This place is really cool. All these molds on the floor for the hats. More molds for the hats, all different sizes, different hats, different styles. Super cool. I love this dirt floor. I hear that they make fabrics inside of this building. Hey, check this out. Look at this. It's like, it's blankets. And it's made from, it's actually made here. Using this machine. And using these machines here. And this machine. Look at this. It's like glam wool. Look at that. Super cool. All right, leaving the museum now. And the museum was a lot of fun. It was very informative. Got to see a lot of really, really cool structures. And look at all this wood around here. From all these tall trees. Just think of all the things you can make with all this wood. Light poles, houses, furniture, lots of things. But anyway, that's it. See you guys later. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe.